If you are preparing for SQL interviews, this is a question you will very likely encounter during your SQL interview. This exact question was asked in a Flipkart interview. Today I will solve a real-world data cleaning problem where the brand name is missing and we need to fill it correctly. Hi, I am Himanshu Pandey. I am working as a senior data analyst and with the 6+ year experience. So the problem is we have a data set like brand item, and in this data set we have two columns. First is brand name, second is item, and in a brand name we have the missing records. We need to fill these missing record as follow as the previous valid value. So suppose in a brand name we have first record as Levi's, then we have null and null. So previous valid value should be Levi's. So according to previous value we need to fill it. So for handling these things, I'm going to use SQL window function like row number and max over partition by like this. So firstly, for the sorting purpose, I'm taking row number here. I'm creating another column called as row number. So for that, I'm writing the syntax row number over, and we cannot follow any order by here. So for the writing the row number, it won't be work if we are going without order by. So we need to give something order y. So just I'm taking default like as the select one as row numbers. So it will give sequential assign, it will assign the sequential number for every record. So we will get the row number records. Then I'm going to take the count of brand name. So for that, select star then I'm taking the count of brand name over need to give order by rows numbers, and alias it should be counts. So see, we will get the count of brand name. We are getting 1 for the Levi's, and next value we are getting 1. We have the null here, so it taking only the first value number, and say once we will get next brand name, so it is assigning second, and for the next one it will adding one another, and we are getting third. So according to this, what we can do, then we need to fill these first valid value, and we will get the group. Since here we need to brand name as a Levi's, and you can see we have the count 1 and 1, and for the next brand name is Nike, from the Levi's, we are getting next number as 222, and for the after the Nike we are getting third. So for that handling purpose, what I'm going to do, I'm taking CT with CT as here select brand name item, then I'm taking max max of brand name over, and we are taking partitioning here, partition by counts, because we have the group. For the count, first brand name it is assigning 1, second brand name it is assigning 2, and for the next one it assigning sequentially number. So we are giving the partition as a counts, as new brand name from city. You will see, then we are getting the exact all brand name. See here, first is Levi's, second we are getting Levi's, third is getting Levi's, fourth is Lee, then we are getting Lee since Nike. Once we have the Nike, and it's following the same sequence. So this step, if we are going with this step, we can easily handle these things. And if you can see, we successfully filled the missing value using the window function. And if you want to learn more real interview questions like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much.